Hey guys, it's Texas Gamer 24, and today I'm doing a card pack opening. And the reason I'm not just opening them like that is because I hurt my left wrist, which for y'all it's probably right out of the camera. But yeah, I hurt it, and so I'm gonna use scissors instead. Let's get into it. Okay, let's get into the first one. I have I have 5 football card packs and then 1 basketball, so I have 6 packs total. So I just pulled a Peyton Manning, but it's a Colts edition. That's really cool, even though I don't like Peyton Manning. Eric Decker, Ryan Hartline, I've heard of him, and Keanu Neal. Ooh, that's nice. And then just a random card. Okay, I'm gonna save the NBA one for last. So next one. It's a lot easier to cut open. Jordan Matthews, Blaine Gabbert, Phillip Rivers, and Jordan Reed. Hopefully I can get a Patrick Mahomes. And last year I wanted to get Jakeem Grant, which I still want, but now I'm also looking for a Patrick Mahomes. By the way, I went to a baseball game last night, got that. Oliver Vernon. Good, I guess. Carlos Hyde. Okay. Kendall Wright. And Carson Wentz. That's a good quality photo. That's actually really good quality. 2 more football. We're halfway through of all of them. Each of the football have 4 cards in them, and the basketball will have 5. Aaron Rodgers. I have like 5 of him though. I don't know his first name. West. Gary Barnidge and Austin Hooper. Last football card pack. Okay, so let's get into the next pack. Hopefully my camera's shut off because I was out of storage, so I need to hurry. AJ Anderson. I have to show y'all. Josh Riggins, he's an old player. Jared McCoy. And Glenn Gronkowski. Glenn Gronkowski, what? What the heck? Last one, and it's the NBA. My second favorite sport. Football's my third. Come on. Joel Embiid. I've never had ones that look like this, so this is awesome. Will Barton. Knicks Derrick Rose. I saw something else. Rodney McGruder. These look really cool cards, and the one I was going was Devin Booker. So, guys, if y'all like my pack opening, hit that like button. And if this is the first time you're watching my channel, hit that subscribe button. Turn on the notifications to join the Texas Gamer Notification Squad. And I'll see y'all guys in the next video. Peace.